We were gonna, but then, I can always have you do that from home. So, no, not today. Okay. I don't know what's gonna happen. I have no idea. That's the truth, I have no idea. Okay, but anyways, but what resonance is when, if the two frequencies match, then the vibrations of one will naturally cause the other to vibrate. Okay, so can you guys actually scooch back a little bit so everybody can see these pendulums? All right. So I set up some pendulums to take your iPad too, because I don't want to whack it. Okay. Because when we started this unit, okay, we started defining terms for waves by looking at the behavior of pendulums. Okay, so I have two pendulums here of different lengths, so I'm going to set them into motion. Okay, so first question. Which of the two pendulums, the shorter one or the longer one, has the higher frequency? The shorter one does. It's vibrating back and forth, literally more frequent. It's completing more vibrations every period of time, okay? If I look at the two pendulums, short one versus the long one, which one has the larger period? The long one. Remember, period and frequency are inverses, so the longer one takes more time to complete a vibration, okay? All right, well anyways, so resonance is when the natural frequency of one matches the other. So I got two pendulums here that are the same length, or as close as I could get them, so that when I set them into motion, you see they swing together, they've got the same natural frequency. Okay, we're pretty close, you agree? Well, look what happens when I take one pendulum and I set it into motion. Now, watch this one out here. Okay, resonance is when the natural frequency of one matches the natural frequency of the other, and so that the vibrations of one can cause the other to resonate or to vibrate as well. So you see how this one's now swinging? And if I go the other way, if I take the one on the outside and I set it into swinging, now watch the one on the inside. It starts wiggling too. That's resonance. If I do the one in the middle, at first the ones on the outside and the inside, they start wiggling, but watch them for a second, okay? It's like they look like they get going and then it's like they stop and then they start wiggling again. See, because the frequency of this doesn't match these, so there's times when it's swinging and its frequency matches, but then it goes out of phase, so it's like you get a little bit of constructive interference, but then you get a little bit of destructive interference, so they never quite get going. Okay. One last one.